Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Can't open your Word documents? Have you tried the usual fixes such as restarting MS Word, rebooting your computer, and the problem is still there? In this video, I'm going to recommend several methods that you can try to repair corrupted Word documents so that you can finally open them again on your Windows computer. Let's go. Sometimes, a file can get damaged if it's saved on a USB drive that gets disconnected while the file is open in Windows, or if a third-party program corrupts the file during transfer. When this happens, you can try using Word's built-in repair tool to try and fix it. Open Word and navigate to the location where your damaged file is saved. While in the open window, click once to select your Word document. Expand the small arrow on the Open button and choose Open and Repair. If this works, you should be able to access your document again. But what if Word's built-in repair tool fails to work? Well, another useful trick to recover corrupted documents is to rename the file extension from .docx to .zip. Sounds odd, right? But let me tell you that .docx files are actually zip archives that contain XML files, which can help you extract some or even all of the contents of the document. First, open File Explorer and make sure you can see file extensions. Click View, then Show, and enable File Name Extensions. Now, make a copy of the .docx file you're having problems with. Rename the copied file's extension from .docx to .zip. Next, double-click the new .zip file to see its XML file structure. Head over to the Word folder and find the file named document.xml. Copy the file outside of the zip folder and open it using any text editor like Notepad or WordPad. You can then copy and paste any readable text you find inside the WT tags into a new document. If your document had images, you can also try to copy them directly from the Media folder. Instead of struggling with complicated settings, using a repair tool is a much easier and faster way to fix corrupted files, or those ones that refuse to open. Unlike other online tools that usually only work with one type, this tool I recommend is a great all-in-one solution for repairing videos, photos, and documents all in one place, which is really handy when you have different file problems. So, if you suddenly can't open some of your files, download this tool using my link below for a chance to fix them for free. Once you install the software, go to the specific repair section for the type of file you need to fix. To fix damaged documents like Word files, Excel sheets, PDFs, zip archives, and other types of files that won't open or give you errors when you do, go to the File Repair section. Simply upload or drag and drop your files directly. Click Repair and let the software handle the rest. Once the repair is done, click the Save button to save the working copy to your computer. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.